Meet Richard. He is one of the guys in senior management at his firm, ABC Solutions. Richard loves his job, but today, recent successes are putting a bit of pressure on Richard. Senior management has finalized the company's 3-year strategy. And, ABC Solutions has just successfully acquired their biggest competitor, thereby doubling the size of the company. All good news, but Richard is experiencing a bit of a dilemma. Firstly, he has to convince the 2,000 employees of their newly acquired competitor to stay on at ABC Solutions. Secondly, Richard has to share the company's 3-year strategy with all employees, old and new, to ensure that everyone is on the same page. But how can he do so effectively? It is imperative that all 4,000 employees, the combined total, are brought on board to ensure smooth delivery of their 3-year strategy. Richard knows that he needs to get the employees of their ex-competitor on his side. He needs to convince and inspire them. But how? He cannot afford to spend weeks, or even hours doing so. With regard to the 3-year strategy, sharing intricate details will probably not be very effective. Statistical information will definitely also not appeal to the majority of their workforce. How can Richard effectively engage and inspire all employees? After thinking it over, Richard came up with a brilliant idea. He is sure that a short positive story will appeal to employees. It will get them emotionally involved and persuade them to be on board. So, Richard tells the employees of the acquired firm an uplifting story about a chap who always wanted to work for ABC Solutions and now finally has the opportunity to do so. Richard also makes sure to highlight a number of benefits working for ABC Solutions. He especially emphasizes those benefits that the acquired workforce has not experienced at the previous firm. Richard will share the company's 3-year strategy in a similar fashion. He will tell a simple story that shows where the company is now and where they plan to be in 3 years, using the typical employee as the protagonist. Richard smashed it. The majority of employees have decided to stay on. And, after sharing the company's 3-year strategy, he has only had positive feedback and can sense a definite vibe of excitement and enthusiasm from all employees. Richard came to the realization that storytelling is truly exceptional at helping you lead people. Storytelling definitely helps leadership to better communicate.